Sun Temple Katarmal. By process of traveling. Through this very scenic mountain road, you travel 17 kilometers from Almora to reach Katarmal. The mountains are covered with pine trees. A new gate helps you choose the right road and welcomes you towards Katarmal. After reaching the village, there is a new path which takes you towards the temple. As you reach the gate, you take a few more steps to reach the temple compound. And there it is, Sun Temple Padaditya, along with 45 other small temples completing the whole compound. A brief history is written in both the languages by the ASI, along with a whole map of the area. So this is a drone shot of the whole village, Katarmal. Since we cannot fly a drone inside the compound without the permission of ASI, this is a shot taken from a distance. The temple was built in 13th century, probably by the Katyuri dynasty of Kumaon. Without the use of any power tools, these people in the 13th century created something so beautiful that people still admire their work. And the work has stood the test of time. In the late 18th century, Rohillas from Bareilly attacked this temple multiple times. In their multiple attempts to break the temple, they broke all the statues inside the small 45 temples. The temple deity is carved out of stone and sits on a banyan tree branch. The perfection of stone masonry is so beautifully calculated. The temple right in front of Badaditya lets the light pass by through a calculated gap, which lets the main temple experience the sun. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.